Just between nursing school and my day job, I always thought I never had time for anything, like my daily chores, my assignments, and just general life stuff that keeps getting in the way. Well, that's what I thought. I always thought I never had time. And one day I just randomly thought of starting a YouTube channel. And guess what? Even more work and even lesser time to think and to do whatever I wanted to do, or what I actually thought I wanted to do. I was actually on the verge of burning out until one day something clicked like that. After consuming all those contents, all those YouTube videos, all those motivational speech, all those infinite books that I've read online or with my hard copy, my brain actually thought of something, this 3-question framework. And it might feel like I'm exaggerating this, but it did really give me back the control I needed in my life. If you're drowning in your to-do list and still feel like you're failing at life, this video is for you. I'll show you how to prioritize what actually matters in your life. And no, you don't need to quit whatever you're doing right now, like your job or whatever it is, your side hustle. You don't need to quit anything. You just need to learn how to actually prioritize what actually matters. And in this video, I'll actually show you how to do it. So let's go to the 3-question framework that I mentioned earlier. Question number 1. Does this align with my hell yeah goals? If a task doesn't excite you or doesn't move you towards your big goals, just delete it. It's a big no. I used to say yes to actually everything. And now I ask, is this a hell yeah? If not, I don't do it. It's that simple. That's it. It's not crazy rocket science. It's that simple. If a task is not a hell yeah, you delete it. That's it. And let's go to question number 2. Can this wait 24 hours? Urgent doesn't mean it's important. If the task can wait, put it in the 24-hour parking lot. Spoiler, 80% of urgent tasks disappear once you ignore them. Like, it's that simple. It's not really important. Maybe you just think it's urgent. Just sit for 2 minutes and think straight. Can this wait 24 hours or not? If not, yes, go do it. But if you can wait, just put it in the parking lot. And the last question, and the most important of them all, will this make the future me proud? The future you is watching. Yeah, we might not notice it, but if you think about it, at least for me, it feels like the future me is watching and guiding me frankly in whatever things I'm doing or whatever actions I'm taking. Whenever I'm tempted to watch the latest anime, I do really get tempted with the anime stuff. I'm a big fan, as you can see, or binge some of my old favorites. Like, that's my favorite, and I'm putting it as my background in this video. Now to all-time favorite. I got it at my tattoo as well. I ask, will this help the future me? If not, usually most of the time it's not. I do one tiny stuff to go forward to my goals instead. Like at this hour, it's exactly 10:30 p.m. I'm really tired from my day job. I was planning to do this tomorrow, but nah. I forced myself to do this video. I promised myself I will do this. Of course, we need to be accountable for our steps, and I always remember the future me is watching. And I started shooting this video, even it's 10:30 already. And yeah, I start early tomorrow. Your time is your life. Spend it on hell yeah moments. Drop a comment. What's one thing you'll say hell yeah to one thing this week? Or maybe this video guided you to say no to something that you've been always trying to say no to, but you never did. And if you guys like it, just hit subscribe. I'm trying to post, I'm trying to be consistent, and at least maybe some of you guys could hold me accountable, right? And something related to this video, I posted in my last video, and in that video I talk about some small habits, tiny habits that we could change. It might be a little bit hard at first, but if you change it, it could change your life for real good. It did for me. Very thankful I did those stuff, and it'll be right here. Just go and watch and let me know how you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.